Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in octane red and it looks awesome. You do have the chrome accenting on the grille up front here with the Dodge badge right there, and we do have halogen quad headlamps right here, very bright as well. Now coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims with Komu brand tires. They look great, still lots of tread left on them, and I like those rims as well. We do have heated exterior mirrors here in the black, and let's come all the way around to the back here. We do have the SXT logo, the Dodge logo, and the Grand Caravan. Now to open it up, all we gotta do is pull this. It does have a bit of chrome accenting down there and your parking sensors as well. Lots of room in here, looks great. It is very soft, so nothing will be getting scratched up. You got a bit of additional storage just over here, and they are stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So this is number 1 right here. So you just pull that, then go down to number 2 here, 3 here, and 4 right here. Fold it down, then you got even more room. You can get up in there, you can lay things flat, and you can haul lots of stuff around. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You also have some chrome accenting right here. This guy does control the third windows, and this one controls the second, which is cool. Not all the time do they roll down. Got a handle here, kind of a swirly design up here, and it is leather right here for you to put your arm on. Very comfortable. You got some storage here and some more down here with a place to put a water bottle. Lots of room in here as well. Very nice interior. Very soft seats as well. They're very comfortable. You do have the controls over your lights here, so you're off. You got your on and your daytime running lights, as well as you have your in-cabin light control right there. And then over here we do have the control over our windshield wipers, high beams, and turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have the speed that we're going right now, which is 0. We also have the liters per 100 kilometers, our temperature outside. We also have how many kilometers, 128, that is nothing. And then also trip A and trip B all in there, as well as your distance till empty. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Gear shift right here, just like that. And then over here we do have our radio, so we have our seek options up top. We have our our voice recognition, our call out button. You have your info, and then your forward and rewind. You have your eject, as well as your time on the other side. Volume up and down with your power. You got your AM, FM, Sirius XM. Then you also have your disc or aux cord plug-in. You got your list, your music type, and your setup, and then presets down here with your browser over there. And then right here is our aux cord plug-in. Down here we do have our climate control, so we have where it's going to blow out of. We have our AC and our heat. It is a dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels. You can also, this is your power here with your circulation, then your defrosts over here, rear climate controls there, and then you got your econ mode, you have your hazard lights and your traction control. And then down here we also have a bit of storage, a couple cup holders there, some more storage down there, and you do have your cup holders here. And then right over here we do have a top glove box and a locking bottom glove box as well. So lots of room in the glove boxes. You've got your owner's manual in there. And then up top here we do have a sunglass holder with a mirror. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here as well. Very comfortable. The seats are the same as the front. Very soft as well. And they do seat 7 people all together. Now these guys are stow and go seats as well. So all you gotta do is pull this guy up. Just like this, super easy to do. And then you pull this one, and it folds just like this, and down into the floor, and then you can fold this just over top, and then it's out of the way. You can do the same with the other side and the back, and you got a ton of room. Also back here we do have the same kind of seats with some cup holders as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.